Alright, it's that time of day now. We've got to the mellow time of day where we've let it all set. What I did was use my Miami Ducal to let it set. Yeah, I'm reasonably happy with that for now. But I mentioned this is the first time I've ever done one of these. Anywho, cork grease time. Right? Apply it lovingly. They say less is more, but you know, each to their own. Let's give it a go with the original mouthpiece that everything's more tea. A little bit dry mouth at the moment because I've been having a nana nap this afternoon. So this is the original easy tone mouthpiece that came with the amati-kraslice way back when. First time on the new cork. Well, maybe it will need to be more sanded. I don't know. Oh no, so far so good. Oh yeah. How about we grab the saxophone itself? Probably loud, but I'm just going to rest it on the bench here and away from the percussion instrument. Smooth, yeah. I wonder if it's in tune. Never turn up the radio. A trumpet sound? How about a sax? I think that's pretty smooth, probably just blew your eardrums away. Let's try it with the duck. Miami, Florida, D7. Oh, it's nice there. But I know this one quacks a lot. Oh, good. Let's see what we got. Here's the famous Duke-off squeak. Alright, well that was the first neck cork rubber I've ever replaced, and it's on my Czechoslovakian amati-kraslice that I got from Allegro Music, probably about 1982. It was probably 10 years old plus then when I got it as well. So it's lasted alright, and she's still blowable. Thanks for putting up with all that. I had fun, and I've learned something new. I'm just going to do some more jamming, yeah. Oh, maybe I go back to hello, yeah. Let's go back to the hard rubber it came with. Ooh. Yeah, love them. Spiders are our friends, mate. Yeah. You don't need to scream at spiders. Don't really like termites, though. Most politicians. Was that the waves? I don't know, no, it was probably Casey Jones. Anywho, oh, I'm reasonably happy with that. I think my the amati-kraslice is going to come back on stage, and I won't paint this one red. She's a vintage, just like the Duke off, a vintage. Thanks for watching. Have a great day in this paint. Otherwise, well, it's almost over now, no? Well, I hope you had a really good Sabbath. Tomorrow it's the start of a new week, so all the best to you, one and all. Hallelujah. Bye for now.